3.
Hello guys, it's me right here, and today we're gonna open the Oonies. I haven't tried this toy, so I bet you guys are gonna enjoy this video. Okay, then we have to open it here.
You gotta figure that out.
Oh, hold on. Is it on the back too? Hold on. Oh yeah, the tape.
Oh, I got that. Let me see.
Okay.
So let's see here.
I'm so excited. I'm
Let's see
so
who we
excited.
get.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Alright, hold on.
I'm excited to open them because they're so Oonie.
So what do you do with these, Maya?
So you put them in this little bowl and then you do it a little bit fast and then you go slow.
Ooh, so that's exciting. Alright, I think it's ready.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Here, let's see here. Oh, this is tough. Sorry, guys. Ooh.
And here are the pellets.
Look, the pellets. Oh, they're so tiny.
Yeah, I'm gonna open these.
Look, we have this inflator. There we go, in the stand.
Yeah.
And the instructions. Right.
Can you open this for me, please?
Yep.
These are for the little things. Look at them, guys. These are the things that you can decorate with them.
Ooh,
And there's
that's gonna be
two. And then here's the little things that you pump them. Oh, it's you.
Yep. Oh.
Yeah, and then I just opened it. Look at them, guys.
All right.
And then after you put them in, you gotta gently put it right here. And what are these?
Those I have absolutely no idea. Let's see. Ooh. You can do a lot of fun things, so let's see. We have to try and figure it out. Okay.
Okay, guys, we got the Oonies, and here are the things.
The accessories, the eyes, right?
Yeah, and the eyes. And then here we got these things for the chickens. And then here we got some fins for the octopuses. So start making one Oonie.
So what do you have to do there? You have to twist it to unlock. You have to pull this back.
And then one.
Open it.
Mhm.
Right here.
Oh,
Okay.
and then
So what do we do?
is we're gonna put that little
You have to make sure only this is out. All right. And what do you have to do next?
and then
No. Has to click.
I'm putting that in.
Here, we put it in here. Hold on, I think it's the other side. There we go.
Okay.
All right, and then, wait. No, not yet. You have to lock it first. Lock it to, yes, that way the needle comes up. All right, and what do you have to do next?
And then go a little bit faster. Oh my goodness. Because I'm helping.
Uh-oh. I think that one's not good. All right. I think this one did not do good. Let's try another one, guys.
That one was a fail.
Yeah. Let's try a yellow one. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so there we have it.
Close it.
We close it.
And then here's the hook.
Okay.
Okay, the wrong way. Hope it can.
It was this way. All right, and then what do we have to do? We have to
Lock it. Okay, can you unfold it?
Here we go. Fast the first time, right? Until you see it inflates. All right, there you go. You guys saw that? Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. More and more.
The needle went through it.
Okay, all right, let's see another one.
The needle went through it.
Dude, that's so cool though. Yeah, the needle did go through. You guys see?
Let me
Going
see.
through it.
Let me see.
Yep. You must have put it in there wrong. All right, let's see. Let's try the blue one.
Yeah. I really love blue.
All right,
You're gonna do it. Let me.
there we go. And we click it. Perfect.
And then
Hold on.
I'm
Wrong side. All right, what do? Lock it so the needle goes up. All right, and then we go fast. You guys see that? Oh, that's so awesome. All right, there. I think that's good.
Okay.
All right, when you're done, you have to, you have to unlock it so the needle goes back down. And then you gently open it. Right here, just open it through here. You see that? Oh, there we go. Look, guys.
I was decorated.
Yeah. What are you gonna do? This one's gonna be what?
Fish.
Oh, we're gonna make a fish. Let me take the other eye out. So cool. Oh, look, it's coming to life. And then what do we do?
And then we're gonna put the
Oh, yeah, the little.
fin.
Oh, that's like an elephant, isn't it? Oh, no, wait. Let's see. A little fin. Ooh. So,
It's like a fire one.
yeah, hold on, we need the other.
It's like a fire fish.
There's that. Oh, look, guys. They stick so easily.
Yes!
Let's see.
Oh yeah, look, you kind of see the hole. See?
Oh, yeah, you can. That's so cute. What? Right there, and I think this one goes.
On top. And then we're gonna need this pen. Where is the
So
pen?
cute. Oh wait, we need.
Pen.
Let's see. The back, right? The back tail. Here, you do it.
Okay. Gently. Now we got our own fish. And then now we're gonna start making the tip. I really want to make it turn to orange. Okay, so
Keep doing it.
maybe we're gonna do it because I.
Whichever one you want.
Okay.
You got this. You got this. Come on. You got this, Maya. Ooh, yeah, you did amazing there. right, we're all set. Okay. Lock that for her.
Why is it not fitting?
You gotta do it hard.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. I can't even do it. Oh, there we go. I put it on
You have to do a little hard in the beginning, remember?
This scared me. No.
Go ahead, unlock it.
Okay.
Yeah, hold that.
Okay.
Turn it, you have to turn it. There you go. Let's take that one out.
Oh, look at the bottom.
Aww. Look at that. Oh wow, this one did good. Alright, let's do another one.
Okay. How about orange?
Orange one, right. Hold on, one side.
Okay. I did the click.
Alright. You got this, you got this. Come on.
I can't.
Oh, wrong side.
Okay.
Alright, we locked it. And now you know what to do. Woo! That one worked. Yeah. You got this.
Okay, do we want to do it?
You think we should do one more? Alright, perfect. Let's unlock. Do it slowly. Remember, you have to twist it slowly. Look, guys. That's so cool. Okay, which one are you going to do with that one?
Okay, we're going to do the kitty.
You're going to do the kitty? Okay, so you're going to need another one. Yeah, do another one for the kitty.
Okay, now we got 2 more
Two more
eyes.
eyes. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
That's so cute.
Okay, I need ears.
Nose.
Yeah. Blue nose.
This one actually. No, that's not a nose.
What is that?
I'm not sure what. But here's the nose for the kitty. Can you see? It actually has to be. Look.
Yeah.
You see its design? All right. Where do you put the nose?
Put it right
Look, guys.
here. Okay, so we had to attach it to
Okay, so for that we have to make another one.
Okay. Okay.
So we have to make another.
The same as color because you know they won't match it if this
Okay.
other color.
Remember, don't forget you have to put the ears too, okay?
Yeah. Where are the ears?
Oh, I think the ears are with fishy.
No.
I mean, they're the fins. It's not we can do these, don't you think? These as little ears.
But oh yeah, we need this.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's leave Mr. Fishy with those fins,
Yeah,
okay?
and then I can change
And then we'll just do a kitty. There, you put the next one on. All right. Remember, you have to lift up. Oh, you already got it set. Ooh, you were
Okay.
fast. All right. Let's see. All right. And then we twist it and turn it. Oh, wrong side. We lock it.
Oh.
Okay. Nope. All right.
Okay.
Wrong side of the needle. Hey guys. All right. Let's see. Oh, it's another orange, right?
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 orange. Like 10 orange colors.
Alright, let's hope this one works. It's so weird. Okay.
You do it.
Another one.
Okay, I'll release it and then
Twist it.
and then open it from the bottom. And then we're gonna pull this out. And then, look, oh yeah.
I think sometimes the needle goes in different places. I guess we just have to get the right angle.
Yeah. I bet I'm gonna try in orange again.
Okay.
I think I got it. Oh yeah, I see the little hole.
Twist it. Twist it.
Yeah.
Once it goes in, twist.
You did it. Finally, this time to work.
Perfect. Ooh. We finally got another one. Yay! All right, we are going to do the kitty. All right. I think that is the
Because
tail.
look.
Oh wait, for that one we need these. Okay.
Oh,
So to
yeah.
attach another one from another one. Hold on. We go through
Here.
right there, right? And then
Attach it.
okay, and then hold on, I'm trying to see. Here, I'll start giving you the parts, whatever parts you want. There's that tail if you want it. There's the other ear.
Okay, and then I'm gonna put the extra ear.
There's that, and I have to do the legs, right?
The ears are supposed to go on these sides.
Yep.
Okay, now we have to give them the legs. The legs, okay, there's some on the back.
Here you go.
Thank
Here's
you.
for the back. And there's that other one. And what else do we need? The tail.
Yeah, the tail. Those on the back.
Look, guys. Wow.
We get our own kitty.
This is a lot of fun, right, Maya?
Yeah.
Yay.
And this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. If you have any comments down below, ring the bell.
Yes, thank you, guys. Bye.